Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix Snapchat camera quality. So guys, if your camera quality is blurry or not better, then I'll help you how to fix it. So let's start without wasting any time. So first of all, you need to open your Snapchat and app, and after this, you need to click on your main profile and click on settings. And after doing this, scroll it down and click on clear data and scroll it down, click on clear cache. And after doing this, you need to click on clear and click on OK. And after doing this, you need to open your app store, and here you need to search Snapchat. Click on Snapchat and click on Snapchat app and update your Snapchat app. So if your app is not updated, then you need to update it. So here you can see my app is not updated. So first of all, you need to click on update, and after doing update, you need to go back and you need to open your settings, and after this, scroll it down and click on general and click on iPhone storage. And here you need to find Snapchat. You need to click here and click on offload app and click on offload. And after doing offload, you need to reinstall again your Snapchat app from app store. And the other method is you need to open your settings, scroll it down, and here you need to find Snapchat. So you need to click on Snapchat, and after this, make sure that camera is allowed. So if this is not allowed, then you need to allow it, and after doing allow, you need to go back and your problem will be fixed. So guys, by doing this method, you will be able to use your camera clear and smoothly. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.